Assalamu alaikum students. I am particularly uploading this video for the old final year MBBS class because I've heard that you don't have any cardiovascular system examination method video. It is same as other systems, so you need to do inspection, palpation, or percussion, auscultation, and relevant general physical examination. You may be asked to do the precordium chest examination, in which you should start with the chest examination or precordium examination, and if you would be asked for CVS examination, you would need to start from the pulses first. And you should also ascertain first that is the child cyanosed, so you should think of cyanotic heart disease or acyanosed for acyanotic heart disease. You should start from the same protocol, like wash your hands or sanitize your hands or warm your hands, and then what you need to do is you need to do your introduction, the rapport development, along with the position of the child at 45-degree and proper exposure, keeping in mind the modesty of exam, especially in case of girls. And you should approach the child from the right side. So steps of examination, on inspection, you need to look at the child. Is the child sick looking or any dysmorphism? Child apparent build is according to his or her age. What is the respiratory rate? You need to count it. And you need to check the symmetry of the chest, any visible skeletal deformity, or any scars, or any visible pulsations at the foot end. These things you need to do at the foot end, the inspection. And you just look at the patient, and you don't need to touch the patient. At the foot end, at the level of patient, and then on the right side, at the level of patient. This should only take 20 seconds, not more than that. And then coming to the palpation, the second step, you need to warm your hands, and should take the patient in confidence. And you need to do the tracheal palpation with the 3-finger methods, and then you need to check for any dextrocardia, especially while locating for the apex beat. So the better preferable method is to check for on the both sides of the chest with the both hands. And then apex beat is usually on the left side of the chest, and it is the lowermost, lateralmost, outermost pulsation felt on your palpation. And you need to locate the position after you feel it. So you need to count the ribs, and you need to locate in which rib the respiratory is present, and also locate the site by any imaginary anatomical position, like mid-clavicular line, or medial to mid-clavicular, lateral to mid-clavicular line. And next thing is you need to look at it is of normal character or any specific character like tapping or heaving. Then you need to check the thrill in the 4 areas of heart, which is mitral, tricuspid, pulmonary, and aortic. Mitral is the same as apex beat, tricuspid is lower left sternal border, and pulmonary on the left, second intercostal, and aortic on the right, second intercostal space. You need to check for thrill on palpation with your finger or palm of your hand. And then the next step is the checking of heave with the if the thrill is present, the grade of murmur would be 4 or more. For heave, which is left parasternal heave, you need to check, put your the ulnar border of your hand and on the chest, on the left parasternal border, and we have to look with your eyes at the level of the chest. Is it heaving, lifting? If it is lifting, the hand is lifting the chest, it is to be said that heave is present, otherwise it is absent. So you do need to do the auscultation. Similarly, the same 4 areas. While doing auscultation, you need to first warm the diaphragm, especially to check the diaphragm and the dorsum of your hand. And you must time the auscultation with the carotids or any other arterial pulse. With the diaphragm, you need to comment on the first heart sound, second heart sound, any added heart sounds, any supplet or murmurs. and you need to check the same areas of the bell as well. You need to check the back of the chest as well, and then you need to check the pulses and the blood pressure, especially all the pulses of the body and the blood pressure. And then you need to do the relevant general physical examination, in which you need to check the nails for clubbing, cyanosis, and any palmar erythema, any chylonychia, the hands are warm, and oral cavity for cyanosis, and JVP, and abdomen for hepatomegaly, splenomegaly. And you need to uh, check the gait of the child sometimes with the hemiplegia, but especially in cyanotic congenital heart disease. So this is all about the cardiovascular system examination. Thank you very much.